researching in the Mustang, and I had accidentally filled it up with E15. So I had filled it up with E15, and then I had to drove it home, and then I put I had to drain all that out into my tank, and then put E85, and then I put the E15 inside of the inside this Caprice, because I wasn't gonna waste it. You know, this Caprice flex fuel. Look out! That's Caprice flex fuel.
What's up, Wig?
Kiketis, what's up? I'm trying to see something.
What's up, fast boy? I broke the truck, Wig.
You broke the truck? God damn, y'all some destructive motherfuckers.
Hey, what is it? A turbo?
This right here?
Supercharged.
No, it's supercharged. Yeah, it's supercharged.
Works, man.
You like it?
Quick.
It's quick.
Yeah.
I like it a little bit every now and then. Nah, I got the wrong gas in here today, man. I can't race today. I would. I just been playing with it on the street.
How much?
I just been playing with it on the street. It's here, y'all. Read them and weep. Everybody's favorite question: how much horsepower is it pushing, dude? I don't know. I'm gonna start saying 800. 800? Yeah, 800. Around about 800. I'll start telling them. About 1,000 horsepower. Look out, what's up with it?
And the race. Right lane for the win.
Man, look at that line up there.
Tower side for the win.
Got around 1,300 horsepower to the wheels. Me and my cousin built it from scratch.
What's up, man?
Look out. I reckon.
Yeah, I reckon.
What's going on, Aaron? Tell us something good, man. Did you put more nitrous this week?
No, I'm just
Yeah, run this truck, Aaron. Yeah, run this shit. Don't be scary. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, Aaron ain't scary, y'all. He'll run anything. He just put another extra kit on nitrous on it and bumped the pills up.
no, it's just a motor.
Nah, he got about 250 now, y'all. I mean, he went up to 275. I'm gonna go up here. We're gonna see what he working with when he get up here.
Anthony, so you want a 410 tree on this too? I'm assuming so, since it's got a parachute on the back.
Oh yeah, he's assuming so, dude.
What's up, brother?
Has a parachute on the back. Small block, small block,
Yep, got it.
small
Thank you.
block, small block, small block, small block, small block. Look out, excuse me.
Look out.
Hey, boom. Let me see. Let me see what the hell they got up here with a parachute. Hey, y'all. Hey, we got Diamond in here. You. Make me feel like I need to get my TikTok ready now. Look out. Appreciate that, Thomas Childers. He done bought me some tacos, y'all. Gonna be taco time in a minute. What's that truck sound like? Truck sound like he's gonna do something.
Where the Caprice at?
Hey, over there. Yeah. Nah, I got it in the VIP section. Oh man, I could have got him. A lot of little small blocks I see. Small block mafia around this bitch. What's up with it, man? They thought you got fired, man. They was over there. Where my man at? I don't see him today, man. You was missing.
In the tower sometimes.
Oh, okay.
Like on a night where they don't have people like this, I got
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Feel free to, you can walk on this.
Bet. I can walk on this shit, y'all. Let me see. I'm finna call my TikTokers over here now, y'all. Well, them TikTokers, they be acting up. Got this V6. Nah, I ain't racing tonight. I'm just spectating. I drove my race car up here though, just to let them know shit gets serious. I go buy some of that good gas. When it get gangsta, and your people gonna ride or drive. Look out. Nah, I ain't ready yet, man. I got the caprice over there, man. Nah, I ain't trying to do nothing. I'll whoop that 5-0 though. I'll whoop him.
We gotta be out here for Pedro's race.
Oh yeah?
Next Thursday.
Yeah, it's gonna be, I think they didn't reschedule Pedro race till like next Thursday. Yeah, man, they had, cause the Pedro, he out of town on vacation this week. Yeah, Pedro, they waiting to see your race, man. Big time Chris. They ready. I need to get y'all cars running. Got people waiting to see that race. Y'all done made a video. Look out. Hey.